Niggas will never get our respect again. West Side.
Rest in peace to my motherfucking Biggie Smalls. That's right, boy. It's going on right here. God bless you, man. Nigga. Don't worry if you see God first. Tell him shit got me inside, man. I know you representing the crew, and I can picture you in heaven with a blunt and
You're brutal, buddy.
Huh?
You're brutal.
Why?
I don't know. I got all that shit on camera.
On video?
The nut scratch and the shake.
Awesome.
Awesome. Yeah.
That's how you hit this shit, man. That's the shit right there. That's how you smoke weed. You won't put it on? Fucking try it.
Shit, man. They're gonna put the fucking gas mask on me. No!
It's Ronnie's hit. Let Ronnie take a hit. Let's get some light up in this bitch. Whoa. You might want to loosen them straps there, Ronnie. I tightened the straps to fit around my dome. Oh, here's some water. Fuck, I'm still coughing from that shit. It hits a lot easier now because of that pipe. Actually, your smoke comes at you way faster. Just so you know. Oh, look at that. It's already milked. That pipe is milked. Look at that fog in the mask. Look at that. Oh. That thing is so cool. Fucking Cloud City in there.
Done that thing like 4 times already, though. Love this shit.
That shit's awesome, mate.
Oh,
hey, TJ, thank you for leaving your mask with us. We're taking good care of it. See?
Hey, the camera's still rolling?
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna pack a bowl.
Oh, well.
I'm not smoking a joint.
How do I I don't even know how to work.